Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for chairperson and all of audience. Before I present my paper, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Iljar Daud. I am from Management Study Program, Faculty of Economic and Business, Universitas Tanjung Pura, Pontianak, West Kalimantan, Indonesia. My paper title is The Mediating Role of Job Satisfaction in the Relationship between Compensation and Work Environment on Performance. Introduction. In the era of globalization, competition between organizations is getting higher. Organizations compete to get the most out of their performance. A competitive work environment causes an organization to continue to improve its performance. However, the performance of an organization comes from the performance of the employees themselves, because human capital is the most important resource in the organization. Therefore, human capital is the key to success in organization. According to Onok Wube, employees who have good performance will be supported by high job satisfaction in their work, because job satisfaction is one of the main factors in the organization. Several factors can influence performance, such as compensation, work environment, and job satisfaction. Dessler states that employee compensation refers to form of payment for employees and comes from their works. The results of previous studies can be explained. Hamid et al., Tekle-Michel, and Suter state that compensation affects performance. According to Terry, the work environment can be defined as the force that influences either directly or indirectly on the performance of an organization. A comfortable work environment can lead to the increasing level of performance. Research conducted by Kirza and Carranza proves that a relationship between the work environment and employee performance when the work environment supports a comfortable work atmosphere. Employee performance will increase, so that it can be said that the work environment is an important factor in employee performance. Job satisfaction can be achieved if individual and aspect of the job support each other, so that job satisfaction can be obtained from how individuals feel about their works. According to Robbins, job satisfaction is the attitude that workers have about their job. This is the result of the perception of their jobs. Research conducted by Javid et al. Proves that job satisfaction has an influence on employee performance. Conceptual research model. Therefore, the following conceptual research model was developed based on the theoretical and empirical evidence. In this picture, we can see compensation influence job satisfaction, work environments influence job satisfaction, compensation influence performance, work environment influence performance, and job satisfaction influence performance. Hypothesis. From conceptual framework hypothesis, the study is H1, compensation significant effect to job satisfaction. H2, work environment has significant effect to job satisfaction. H3, compensation has a significant influence on performance. H4, work environment has a significant effect to performance. And H5, job satisfaction has a significant effect to performance. Research methodology. The research in this study is a quantitative research method with an exploratory research approach. The population in the study are 150 employees from state-owned banks. The sampling method used census technique so that the number of samples is 150 employees. Data collection using a questionnaire, which will then the analyze using the PET analysis method. Results. Reliability test. From this picture, we can see all of variables have a good reliability because Conba alpha more than 0.6. Regression and PET analysis. Regression analysis per subsector. In this picture, we can see compensation have its influence effect to job satisfaction with significant 0.010, and work environment have a significant effect to job satisfaction with significant 0.004. And the regression analysis second subsector, we can see compensation with not have significant effect with performance with the significant 0.0x1. Work environment have a significant effect to performance with significant 0.014, and job satisfaction have a significant performance with 0.005. Direct effect, indirect effect, and total effect. With this table, we can see job satisfaction have a mediating role in the relationship between compensation and performance, and also job satisfaction have a mediating role in the work environment and performance. Conclusion. The results show that in the first subsector, there was a significant influence between compensation and job satisfaction, then a significant influence between work environment and job satisfaction. In the second subsector, there is no significant influence between compensation and performance, significant influence between work environment and performance, and a significant influence between job satisfaction and performance. Furthermore, the result of this study also show that job satisfaction mediate the relationship between compensation and performance, and while compensation for performance is mediated by job satisfaction. Specifically, the study implies that in the context of the Indonesian state-owned bank, compensation and work environment have the power of to influence the performance and employees so as to develop the organization. In addition, a leader can motivate its employee so that they will increase motivation and working for the organization to be more responsible and create a sense of satisfaction in work that will ultimately improve employee performance. That's my presentation. Maybe any question or suggestion. Thank you.